Okay, so I haven't really made a series of videos on the hoodies. So I think in the next series I thought let me make a few videos on how I make these hoodies. I bought some of this beautiful blue fleece, so I decided let me see, maybe I can make three hoodies out of this. There's 3 meter here. So the idea is basically to make a hoodie like this, and with some knit on the sides, and then some knit on the cuffs, and then a double hood where the color inside differs a bit from the outside, and some string here with some nice ends. So I thought let me do this for the next series of videos. And then the pattern that I will be using is again this easy stitch pattern. So I think it's a South African company, so you can just, their patterns, not all of them, but some of them are available online, and I like the fit of their hoodies because they fit South African markets very well. So, and those people are my clients. So yeah, the idea is to make this hoodie, and at the end to make sure that at least the pocket size lines up nicely. Both the shoulders are the same, and then at the hood, make sure that the 2 panels at the back for the hood match up. Those are the only printed patterns that I'm going to match up on the hoodie. Okay, so in the next video I will cut the hoodie, and then we'll talk a little bit about this fleece. But yeah, so that will be the next few videos for this, because I haven't made I think I made some videos a long time ago on jackets, how to do jackets and sportswear jackets with zips and stuff, but I think I deleted some of it. I can't remember anymore. But in any case, it's also good for me to do the hoodie, because then at least I can put out the steps, and in future, if I make hoodies again, then at least I've got some idea how to do the hoodies. Because you can forget how to make some of them, although the hoodies are very easy to make. Okay.